What's going on, everybody? Today I'm making an update to a video that I've put out recently about cutting these single-sided Toyota emergency keys. I'm making this video because Xhorse seems to have offered an update to a common problem that I know a lot of people run into, including myself, when trying to cut these the original way instructed. So what I've got here is my uncut single-sided Toyota key. Be coming back to this M1 jaw in a minute, but I'm going to show you what the issue is. So normally it instructs you to use, as my previous video, we use the A jaw, the M2 clamp, and then it'll use the shim that I have here, where the shim will rest on top. You'll put your key blade in. Try to do this with one hand. I'm not going to get it perfect, but I just want to demonstrate the issue right there. So no matter how hard you push it down, using the shim, sometimes when you tighten it, it'll pop the key out. I've even had it where in the middle of cutting the key, you think it's clamped down tight, and just the slightest movement from the cutting pops it off like that. It's damaged cutters, and it's super frustrating. So what I'm going to do is show you how to work around that, and we're going to start by removing the M2 jaw, swapping it out for our M1 jaw, which traditionally is mainly used on side cut keys and some high security keyways. So let me go ahead and go over to the key tool and show you what to do from here. Okay, now that we're over to our key tool, I want to make sure our key machine's connected. Sometimes, most of the time, you'll have to have the internet on there. What we're going to do is cut by bitting. A lot of Toyotas, you'll get the key code as before anything, so you could do all keys lost and just type in the code. But I'm going to go ahead and find TOY 48. And we want our, let me go back here, I believe it's a TOY 40. Here we go. So we want our 4x4 bitting. If you notice here, our first option, and like my older video, we use the M2 A side clamp, but instead we've got a new option here, the M1 clamp. It even says one-sided key for the emergency keys. Let's go ahead and select that, and now it's telling us to use our M1 clamp, the third tip stop position. So before I go any further, I'm going to go back over to my Dolphin. I'm going to take my key, line it up at that third position there. I'm going to go ahead and get it tightened down nice and center. And then here's a problem that you'll run into. A lot of people actually wonder why their keys don't cut right when they use this M1 jaw, and they neglect to tighten this set screw. So take a 2 Allen key, go ahead and make sure that that's snug. Couple turns on it. Not cranking it, just want it snug. There we go, no more movement there. So now that our key's at the right tip stop, the third line, and snug, we'll go back to our key tool. We're going to hit OK. We're going to enter in our bitting. Again, you either could do the key code, or if you know your bitting, just do it that way. The key I'm trying to cut is going to be 2, 2, 1. Oh, messed up there. 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 2, 1. Now if everything looks correct, I should be able to just hit cut, and it'll prompt us one more time to check the accuracy of our key position. And now our key should cut. Alright, so did finish cutting there. I'm going to go ahead and get some of these key shavings off. Now you'll probably want to hit that with a file. I'll show you right off the bat. The tip of this key looks like it's got a nice burr on there, so just run it through a file real quick and that'll get that taken care of. And what I'm going to show you to allow it to show itself it's accurate is, remember our cuts 2213 on the top, 2421. Let's go ahead and back all the way out. I'm going to do fine bitting. Go to Toyota. I'm going to find my Toyo 40. Make sure it's the M1 clamp 4x4. I guess we're on that jaw and tip stop, the third line. And then I'm just going to decode the key and see what it comes up with. Go back over the key machine here. Alright, it says learn key success. Let's see what it came up with here. 2213, 2421. Alright guys, that's our keyway. I hope this helps. Definitely keep that in mind. It's saved a lot of time and frustration, especially with breaking bits and ruining emergency valet keys. Yeah, thank you.